Hello and welcome to GRE Mnemonics. Today we will be learning and remembering the following GRE words using a short story. Aladdin was playing his shiny bass guitar made of stone atop the pyramids in Egypt. Moving eastwards from Egypt to the Indus Valley civilization, a genie played a snake game on his mobile phone, where the line eats a frog and gets big in a defined exact boundary of the screen. A great flood, believed to have wiped out the Indus Valley civilization site, caught the delete U and J buttons of the mobile. Now, literary and archaeological sources paint a picture of physical and cultural migration pointing to an ancient connection between Ireland and India. So, coincidentally, the washed away buttons were rescued by a fox family who gave them Ireland blankets they had carried in their Ford car and made them sit near a place where hay was burning to get some warmth. The elder fox was wise and he used the wood from an alder tree to keep the fire from running out. Now, let's learn the words individually. Alabaster. The clue was Aladdin playing a shiny bass guitar made of stone on the Great Pyramids. Aladdin is a famous Disney character. So, alabaster means a smooth, white, and often translucent hard material that is typically carved. So, visualize a rock guitar or a bass guitar, alabaster. Alabaster is a white or delicately tinted fine-grained gypsum. Example sentence: famous structures like the Egyptian pyramids and Sphinx are made of a combination of hard, translucent minerals like alabaster. Tombs of ancient Roman warriors were made from large slabs of alabaster because the soft material was both sturdy and easy to carve. Next word is delineate. Clue is genie playing a popular mobile snake game where a line eats a frog in a defined boundary. Delineate means portray, depict, draw, or trace outline of, sketch out, or describe or mark the edge of something. More ways to learn and remember. It refers to describing something completely, including details. See, for example, a constitution, a law book, etc. It also means to mark the border of something, say an ancient site or a garden. So visualize the snake game here within a defined boundary. Snake game is delineated here. Example sentence: a carefully laid out brick wall delineates the docking yard's boundary in the ancient port city of Lothal, belonging to the Indus Valley civilization. You can notice how the docking yard is delineated by carefully laid out brickwork. Before I began to plant my seeds, I will delineate my garden's rows to make sure every vegetable grows in a precise line. The next word is deluge. Clue is visualize the delete U and J buttons flooded in floodwaters. Deluge means a great flood, heavy downpour, any overflowing of water. So you can visualize here the delete U and J buttons in flood. Example sentence is the campsite was deluged by a flash flood. Here, the campsite was inundated by a flash flood. An unseasonable deluge had washed away a section of the riverbank. Notice the rising level of water has wiped out one side of the riverbank. Hibernian. The clue is hay burning in Ireland. Hibernian means pertaining to Ireland or its people. Visualize hay and it's burning in Ireland. Example sentences: Hibernian blankets from Foxford Mills feature high-quality designs printed on one side and solid white on the reverse. These are just clues to remember. Hibernia is an oil field in the North Atlantic Ocean, approximately southeast of St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. Now, this oil field is very close to Ireland. The next word is alder. Clue is an elder tree had a temperature. Now, alder means a north temperate shrub or tree having toothed leaves and cone-like fruit. So you can picture an alder tree. Also, you can remember it by the closest word, which is like older. Some more ways to learn and remember. Alder is illustrated in the coat of arms for the Austrian town of Saarl. Example sentence. Alder is particularly noted for its important symbiotic relationship with Frankia alni, nitrogen fixing bacterium. Here, the nitrogen fixing bacteria fixes nitrogen in the soil. In turn, the bacteria feeds on the alder tree's sugar. Alder bark and wood contain tannin and are traditionally used to tan leather. Now, in this process, the tannin in the alder bark is used to tan the leather, or the leather is saved from decomposing. Let us know about your experience here till we meet next with our next set of theory words. Thank you.